Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Moonbirds token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Moonbirds BRIB is the native ecosystem token extending the Moonbirds NFT brand into a broader tokenized economy guided by the billionaire's thesis. The project combines culture, meme identity with scalable on-chain infrastructure. BRIB supports governance, participation, ecosystem incentives, staking mechanism, and future integration across the Solana ecosystem. Moonbirds token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 285 million. BRIB token is listed on popular exchanges like Coinbase, Binance Alpha, Bybit, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.